Zac, question number one. Why are you trying to flip a bottle in space?
I don't have a good answer.
Alright, when you're ready guys, Kino's got some questions.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for joining me in the hot seat.
In space.
In space. So you've done a lot of
Stuff.
You've done a lot of stuff. Have you ever gotten into an actual dangerous situation? I mean, we've talked about the potential for a pretty serious impact on this one.
Yeah.
What's the most unsafe you've ever been doing something?
There's different types of unsafe. I think you're talking about when stuff gets out of hand and lack of preparation meets stupidity or trying to get a good shot.
Yeah.
I think when we went to Elon Musk's house, that was probably a little bit misguided, and we were being tailed by security. We were in Texas, everyone has guns. They didn't know who we were. They did know who we were, actually, tell a lie, because we pulled over to ask, are you following us? We knew they were. And he was like, I don't know, Zac. And he knew my name and seemingly everything about me. So I felt like that was probably the most, the least I knew about a scenario, considering we were in basically a military base like SpaceX, and we went to Elon Musk's house, which could have quite easily had an automated turret which popped out of the letterbox and killed me.
Yeah.
So I'd say that one more recently. Other than that, pure stupidity, cheese rolling.
So you mentioned Elon Musk. If he calls you up and goes, look, we want a YouTuber coming to Mars for the first trip.
Yeah.
Are you going? Do you trust him?
Yes, absolutely. Elon's my daddy. No, I've got this weird, I've got a history with Elon, and I feel like,
Has he ever acknowledged this relationship?
No, it doesn't matter.
Or is it pretty one-sided?
It's pretty one-sided for now, but
then the call comes.
Then the call comes, do you want to go to Mars? If it was like a return one, 100%.
Yeah.
If it was one way.
It's a one-way trip. You're helping found the colony.
If I can take my girlfriend and my dog, yeah.
Okay.
No, Scott can stay. As long as we get WeTransfer to get the files from Mars to Earth. Imagine that. 100% yeah. First YouTube channel on Mars.
First YouTube channel on Mars?
Fucking not doing Earth-related content like the rest of you idiots. Yeah. Answer is yes. Elon, if you want to send me to Mars, shout me.
You've pulled off loads of seemingly impossible challenges. Is there anyone that was particularly difficult in a way that didn't make it onto camera, or that maybe you weren't expecting to be difficult, or that's really hard to communicate in that format?
I'd say pickpocket. That's the recent one, which we started filming and we were not going to do it for ages because we found out they were a criminal gang, and we got advised by a security guy to not do it. And then I was scared because I just want a peaceful existence. Outside of YouTube, I just want a normal life. And that was jeopardizing my potential normal life. So, and then we just thought, F it, let's try and film anything. And then it happened within 2 hours of being out on the first night. We got a phone stolen straight away. And then we all got quite excited. And then you flash forward 2 months of the really cold period in early January, and we're sat outside pubs every Thursday, Friday, Saturday for a month and a half. And that wasn't fun at all. But in the video, it looks like 3 days of absolute ease. It wasn't. So yeah, pickpocket was a challenging one, and I never hope to do anything like it again.
Do you believe in aliens?
Yes.
No further questions.
No, they got to exist. Aliens, UFOs, there's been sightings of UFOs.
Sure.
But really, if somebody saw the bottle falling from space, that would be an unidentified flying object, right?
Yeah.
So, but you just got to think of scale. We're pretty small in the grand scheme of things. We can't really see that far. There's got to be other life forms. It's just statistics. Talked a lot about statistics today.
We have.
About how unlikely the bottle is to land. But yeah, there's got to be aliens, I have faith.
Yeah. Maybe not intelligent life, but certainly some kind of life.
Well, do you know the theory, the Petri dish theory? That we are just like on the episode of The Simpsons, where Bart accidentally creates a society.
Yeah.
What's saying that we're not that to somebody else? We're just an advanced game of Sims to a bigger and better life form out there.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right.
This is a lot more philosophical than I thought it might be.
Yeah. Zac, why are you trying to flip a bottle in space?
I don't have a good answer. I wish I did. I mean, that's the easiest question you can ask me, surely. Because of my job, just doing stupid things on the internet. This was like an idea when we were like, let's do something with space. It was a coin flip.
Mm-hmm.
Coin flips are boring. Bottle flips, exciting.
Impeccable logic.
No, I am hoping though that this like makes people feel nostalgic, because the bottle flips took over the world, right?
Yeah.
So, you know,
And it's something you can do wherever you are. Like, there's very little barrier to entry.
exactly, unless you're hiring a whole team of specialists, engineers, and
Sure.
trying to do it from space.
All right. Well, thanks for joining me in the hot seat, Zac.
Hey, I'm cold, actually.
Let's get warm. Let's get out of here.